So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 4mm crochet hook. You can use a cotton yarn if you wish, like in the written pattern, or you can use any yarn you like, medium worsted, with a smaller crochet hook, which is 4. We'll start with a slip knot, chain 4, two double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same chain, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and join to the beginning chain 4. So first row of granny square made. Next row, chain 3, in the corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. We'll come back to this chain 3. I'm gonna repeat in the next 2 corners the same thing. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Back to the starting point, I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and join to the initial chain 3, which is considered a double crochet. This is round 2. Round 3, I'm gonna chain 3 in this corner, 2 double crochet. What I'm gonna do in each of the 4 corners, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. In this small corners, I'm gonna do only 3 double crochet. That's it. And I'm gonna do another row, so 4 rows total. 3 double crochet, so here I have finished the first step and I have done 4 rows of granny square. Now the next step will be single crochet around the square. So I'm gonna chain 1, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in every stitch. In the corner I will make 2 single crochet. So just the 4 corners, 2 single crochet, otherwise 1 single crochet in every stitch. So here 2 single crochet and again single crochet in every stitch till the end, till I'm back to the starting point, and then I'll show you what to do next. And here I'm at the last stitch and I'm gonna slip stitch and fasten off. So the first step completed. This is how it looks like so far. I'm gonna hide this thread. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll take the same color again and I'm gonna join in this beginning stitch here. Oops. Okay. I'm gonna chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in every stitch till the end of this row only. And this is the last one here, like so. So I'm gonna be working upwards. So chain 1 and again single crochet, oops, in every stitch for the next 38 rows. So 38 rows of single crochet, and then we'll see what to do next. So here I am done with 38 rows of single crochet, and I'm gonna fasten off here before I go to the next step. So as always I'll hide my thread. And now with the granny square opposite side, I will fold it like this, and I'm gonna slip stitch on this side, then on this side. So I'll insert the thread in the first stitches, like so. And I'll slip stitch. I'll go to the next one on the opposite side, and I will slip stitch as well. I will keep doing the same till here. And here I have completed the second side, and I'm hiding the thread so it's not visible. So as we said, this is the opposite side. I will just invert it like so. And this is how it looks like. So this flap goes inside like this. Whenever you put your makeup or anything you like. So this is the pouch completed. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to check the written pattern and see the other version of the cotton one. So until next time, take care, bye bye.